How to remove background from the picture in Canva. Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove background from the picture in Canva for free. We can remove background from the picture in app itself, but it's not free. For that you have to purchase Canva Pro. But let's see how can we remove in free. So we start with create a design. Choose randomly anything from this. Let's choose A4 document. Then go to the photos. Now what we have to do, take any picture in which you want to remove the background. Let's take this picture. Okay, now in this picture I don't want this grayish background, so by clicking this picture you have the option of edit image. From here we cannot get the remover because it's only for the pro user. If you have the pro account you can remove the background from here. Okay, and for the free user what you have to do is download this image. Go to the share button, click on the download and click here, and it's downloading. Now I am going to open a website called remove.bg. Okay, click here and click on the upload image. Then choose the image which you downloaded before from the Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the open. It's uploading and it's ready without background. You can also edit this image by clicking on the edit. You can change the color of your background from here, and you can also blur your photo. Okay, color, you can choose any of this color from here, but I don't want any of this background, so let's download the picture without background. From here you can download the picture. Let's see how it's look. See, there is no background in this picture, it's completely gone. Okay, and now what you have to do, go to the Canva website and upload the image which you downloaded from the BG. Go to the uploads, choose upload file and choose the picture which you downloaded from the BG. Okay, click here, click on the open and it's uploading. See, let's delete this picture and choose this picture. See, there is no background in this picture. In this way you can remove the background from the picture in Canva for free. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you found any valuable information in this video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.